Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. Perl is a practical extraction reporting language developed by Larry Wall. It is mainly used for text processing activities, automation and web application development. The prerequisite of this tutorial is that one should be aware of any programming language like C and Unix commands. The advantage of learning Perl is that one who wants to learn languages like Python, PHP or Ruby, for them learning this language will be easier. Perl has features from C, awk, sed and shell scripting. It has a CPAN module called DBI which connects to the database and performs its operations. It also supports OOPS concept, that is nothing but the object-oriented programming concepts. There are readily available numerous CPAN modules where you can download and use for your requirement. It is integrated with CGI and used for web application development. It is also a case-sensitive language. Last but not the least, Perl is an interpreter language. Thank you.